Java is the most populous island in the world, home to over 145 million people. It is one of Indonesia's 5 main islands and is located between Sumatra to the west and Bali to the east. The island has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam. Java is famous for its volcanic activity, boasting over 120 volcanoes, including the highly active Mount Merapi. The island's capital, Jakarta, is one of the largest megacities in the world, with a population exceeding 10 million. Java was the center of powerful ancient kingdoms, such as the Mataram Sultanate and the Majapahit Empire. It has a diverse landscape, with mountains, rice paddies, and coastal areas contributing to its beauty. The island's climate is tropical, with a rainy season and a dry season influencing agriculture. Batik, a traditional Indonesian fabric, originated from Java and is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Java is home to the famous Borobudur Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest Buddhist monument in the world. The island's economy relies heavily on agriculture, with rice being the primary crop. Indonesia's main industrial activities, such as textiles and automotive manufacturing, are concentrated in Java. The island hosts a variety of wildlife, including endangered species like the Javan rhinoceros. Java's population is ethnically diverse, with the Javanese being the largest ethnic group. The island has a variety of traditional music styles, including gamelan, which utilizes percussive instruments. Java experiences high levels of humidity, with an average annual rainfall of around 1,500 millimeters. The island has a complex system of irrigation known as subak, crucial for rice farming. Java is a hub for education in Indonesia, hosting several prestigious universities, including Universitas Indonesia. Surabaya, the second largest city in Java, is known for its rich history and vibrant trade activities. The island celebrates a number of unique festivals, such as the Sekiden Festival, which honors the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad. Java is home to the famous Dieng Plateau, known for its stunning landscapes and ancient temples. The Java Sea to the north provides important fishing grounds and trade routes for the island. Java is known for its traditional markets, where locals sell spices, textiles, and artisanal goods. The island hosts several national parks, including Meru Betiri National Park and Ujung Kulon National Park. Java's cuisine is incredibly diverse, featuring dishes like nasi goreng and sate. The island has a well-developed transportation network, including trains and highways, which facilitate movement across regions. The Wayang Kulit, a traditional puppet theater, is a significant cultural art form in Java. Java produces a variety of coffees, including the highly prized Java Arabica. The island's history is marked by colonialism, particularly by the Dutch, who controlled Java for centuries. Javanese culture places a strong emphasis on manners, respect, and community values. The island has a vast network of volcanic mountains, resulting in a diverse ecological environment. Candi Prambanan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the largest Hindu temple complexes in Southeast Asia. Java is known for its vibrant art scene, including traditional dance and painting. The island's population density leads to vibrant urban life but also challenges related to infrastructure. The Sundanese people, another significant ethnic group, primarily inhabit West Java and have their own distinct culture. The Batavia Old Town area in Jakarta features colonial-era architecture and is a popular tourist destination. Java has influenced global culture through literature, music, and film, especially in Southeast Asia. The island experiences several major earthquakes due to its location along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Javanese traditional medicine, known as jamu, emphasizes natural ingredients and holistic healing. The traffic congestion in Jakarta is one of the worst in the world, leading to various initiatives for public transportation improvement. Java hosts numerous cultural events, including art exhibitions and culinary festivals, celebrating local cuisine. The Taman Sari, a historic watered castle in Yogyakarta, showcases the island's royal heritage. The island is known for its diverse flora and fauna, with many species endemic to Java. Java has a significant influence on Indonesian politics, with many government institutions based there. The island experiences a wide range of temperatures due to its varying elevations.